Councillor Ufel Purcell, Councillor for the Yorktown Division, Bullards Road. I am present now. That's where the murder of Mr. Berry took place last night at his home.
Yes, sir. Tell me how you feel about things that is
I tell you, this is an heartfelt one. I could never and will never even now want to believe that anybody could have gone into the home of Mr. Berry and take him out in this brutal way. I believe this is really, really unjustified, and I don't know where crime is going in this country. But when you kill an elderly man like Mr. Berry, who has always been quiet, calm, very united, a churchman who goes to his church, and someone who's very cooperative and community oriented, he's always considering what can be done to make the young boys and young girls come off the street. And we have several discussions from time to time. Even at church, when I go to funeral, Mr. Berry will come and say, Counselor, I expect us to try and mobilize and unite the young people in the community because they are getting out of hand. And he doesn't pass anybody and don't bow or say good morning, good evening. You know, he doesn't care who. So it's a gentleman par excellence. And I'm really disturbed and feel really, really heartbroken to know that they have gone into Mr. Berry's home last night and take him out so brutally. I heard that the man got maybe about more than 10 or so shots. And this is really, really nice. And they try to torch the house. This is brutal, and we cannot continue to be like this. So I'm calling on the government, the Minister of National Security. The belly bottom of people is burning out. The Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, you have to do something about crime in this country. It cannot continue like this. There are too many persons' lives are gone. It could be a child, that doesn't matter. So we can't keep on talking about crime every day and yet we do nothing. Things need to put in place, Mr. Holness, as the leadership in this country, and to make certain that we curb and control crime to a level where the citizen can be comfortable. And I cannot understand when I saw a survey done and citizens are saying they are more comfortable in their homes. It is unbelievable to me because I don't know who could be comfortable in a crime-filled country like Jamaica now. And it's disturbing. And I believe that something has to be wrong with these persons who are going around and killing people. And we can't condone this any longer. Murder is a disaster upon every single citizen. So again, please, Mr. Holness, take control of your government and control crime.